The CW-39 is an assault rifle chambered in 7.62 by 39mm cartridge designed by Pakistan Ordnance Factory to meet requirements of military and law enforcement agencies. The weapon features an integrated Picatinny rail for optics and accessories, an inline recoil setup, adjustable stock, ambidextrous control, and ease of conversion training for troops trained on G3A3. The CW-39 is equipped with a polymer magazine with a capacity of 30 rounds and is compatible with AK magazines. It boasts of improved accuracy due to free-floating barrel and reduced recoil felt due to incorporation of Buffer and IMD. With the ability to fire 480 to 580 rounds per minute, the weapon can hit its target in the range of 400 yards. Available in semi-automatic and full automatic modes of operation, the CW-39 rifle is ready to prove itself in tactical operations.